Now let's see the numericals related to AM and FM. In AM system, EM equal to 25 cos 3000 pi t, EC equal to 50 cos 16 lakhs pi t. Find sideband frequencies, their amplitude and modulation index. These are the equations of waves. So this is equation of modulation index. So comparing this equation with EM equal to VM cos 2 pi FM t equal to 25 cos 3000 pi t. Okay, so here we can see VM equal to 25 and 2 pi FMT equal to 3000 pi t. Now here pi will get cancelled, t will get cancelled. So here we have 2 FM equal to 3000. So we can say FM equal to 3000 by 2 equal to 1500 Hertz. Now here we have carrier wave equation. So EC equal to VC cos 2 pi FCT equal to, given equation is 50 cos 16 lakhs pi t. Again pi will get cancelled, t will get cancelled. So remaining cannot directly cancel, we will write it properly. So from this equation VC equal to 50 volt and 2 pi FCT equal to 16 lakhs pi t. So here t will get cancelled, pi will get cancelled. So we can write FC equal to 16 lakhs upon 2 equal to 8 lakhs. Now we have to calculate sideband frequencies. Sideband frequency is what? Upper sideband frequency equal to FC plus FM and lower sideband frequency equal to FC minus FM. So FC plus FM, what is FC? 8 lakhs plus FM is 1500 and here 8 lakhs minus 1500. So it is 801,500 Hertz and here it will be 798,500 Hertz, or we can write 801.5 kilohertz or 798.5 kilohertz. Now we have to find their amplitudes. Okay, so the amplitudes of sideband is given by amplitude equal to 2 VC by, we have the equation for amplitude of sideband equal to m VC by 2. Okay, so first we have to find out m. M is given by m equal to Vm upon Vc. So Vm is 25 and Vc is 50. 25 upon 50, so equal to 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. So we will substitute here M modulation index 0.5 into Vc is 50 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 25. So the value will be 12.5 volt. This is the value of amplitude and this is the value of modulation index. Amplitude of both USB and LSB, they are same. Let's see the numerical of FM. FM signal has resting frequency of 110 MHz. Resting frequency means carrier frequency, stable frequency. Highest frequency 110.10 MHz means this is Fmax. Modulated by signal 10 kHz means this is FM, frequency of modulating signal. Find FD, carrier swing, modulation index, and lowest frequency means F minimum. Now we know FC equal to 110 megahertz and Fmax equal to 110.10 megahertz. So from this we can find out the frequency deviation. Frequency deviation will be FD equal to Fmax minus FC. So 110.10 minus 110 equal to 0.10 megahertz or 100 kilohertz. Okay. Now FD. Now carrier swing to FD. Carrier swing equal to 2FD. 2 into 100 equal to 200 kilohertz. Now modulation index. M equal to FD upon FM. FD means frequency deviation, that is 100 kilohertz, 100 into 10 raised to plus 3 upon FM. FM is frequency modulation is 10 kilohertz. 10 into 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 3 will get cancelled, 0, 0 get cancelled. So modulation index is 10. Now lowest frequency means F min. F min equal to FC minus FD. Carrier frequency minus frequency deviation. Carrier frequency is 110 minus frequency deviation is 0.10. So it is 109.9 megahertz. So this is how we can solve the problems related to AM and FM.